If you're anything like me and you love to travel, this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Mar and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about remote jobs that let you travel the world, and I'm also going to tell you how you can get them. Remote jobs remove the biggest barrier to travel. That is being tied to one location because of your job. We all know that most jobs make you go to an office or to a place, meaning that you can only travel for a few days a year. But when your work only requires a laptop, you can pretty much work from anywhere in the world. You can even live somewhere else and also get paid and work. Many people think that in order to travel the world, you need to have a big savings or passive income, but actually all you need is a steady remote job that allows you to work, travel, and see the beauty that we have out there. Once you understand that, traveling is going to become a logistic thing for you, not a money problem. So without further ado, let's talk about the types of remote jobs that actually let you travel the world. One thing you need to understand is that not all remote jobs are travel friendly. There are some remote jobs that are going to track your location because they need you to be in a certain place for security reasons or for payment or taxes. And that's one of the things you need to ask before accepting a remote job. If you want to travel, you need to ask how travel friendly the place that you're going to be working in is. But right now, there is a very big demand for beginner-friendly remote jobs that you can literally get today if you have little experience and the right knowledge. And that's exactly what I'm going to give to you today. So let's say that you're starting from zero. You're done with your 9 to 5 and you're choosing to get a remote job. The first step that I would take is to understand what you're good at and how you can sell that to a remote company. Not only that, but you need to learn skills that are easy to learn and that are actually in demand in the market. For example, being a virtual assistant is one of the most popular entry points because right now, pretty much every single company needs a virtual assistant. It's a lot cheaper for a company to hire a virtual assistant, so they're very in demand right now, and learning how to become one can be super simple. If you learn and understand skills like email management, customer support, graphic design, or social media, that can be your starting point as a virtual assistant. Right now, there are so many content-related jobs that you can get if you enjoy social media. You can start editing videos, scripting videos, posting on social media for different companies, and that is going to make you a remote worker that earns good money and that can travel the world. Or if you're good with people, you're a problem solver, and you like to talk to individuals, customer support can be your big hit, and that is also a great opportunity to earn good money. Customer support is all about helping businesses solve any type of issue that their customers might have. Let's say that you start working for a company that sells t-shirts. They're going to need someone that takes care of all of the problems that their customers might face, like wrong addresses, wrong sizes, problems with the delivery. That's where you can come in as a customer support specialist and help this business as you travel the world and enjoy the benefits of having a remote job. The main point that you need to understand if you want to get a remote job is that you don't have to be an expert, but you have to know very clear what problem you can solve for a business. Now let's talk about where you can find legit remote job opportunities. There are so many places right now where you can sign up and get a remote job, but not all of them are as good or as secure. So I'm going to name you a few that I like, that I know that can help you get a real remote job. But of course, remember that you always need to be very careful when you are applying for these jobs and be careful not to land in a scam. Right here, I'm going to give you a list of all the freelance platforms that are for free that you can start using today to get a remote job. After you create your profile in one of these platforms, the next step is going to be to find a job that is remote, that you enjoy, and that lets you travel. But now you need to learn a very important skill, and that is how to balance having a remote job while traveling. Because most people make it seem like it's super easy, but it does require a structure, and I'm going to give you a few tips that can make it a little bit easier for you. Working while traveling is not a vacation. Contrary to what people believe, you still need to have a set schedule. You need to organize time zones, your energy, and how you're going to perform in your job while traveling. Choose accommodations with reliable internet and quiet space. Avoid moving too fast in the beginning. Don't try to move from one place to another at first. If you try to stay in one location, you're going to reduce stress and improve your focus. Lastly, try to build routines that travel with you. When work is stable, travel becomes enjoyable instead of chaotic. So if one of your goals for 2026 is to travel the world and you don't want to wait until you have enough savings or until you retire, having a remote job might be the best option for you. You don't need to be a professional. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to get started, grab a skill, become very good at it, and learn how to sell that skill to businesses around the world. And also remember that remote jobs are the first step, not the final goal. Over time, you're going to be able to get more clients, you can increase your salary, and make this a long-term thing that allows you to travel the world and to have a steady income. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video and got some value from it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We post videos almost every single day trying to help you on your entrepreneurial journey and also helping you make more money. So don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!